to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making key lime bars. I'm really excited to make this and it's going to taste amazing. This is actually really easy. There is baking, like you have to bake it, but I know some you can't. But this is just a really easy recipe and I'm excited to make this. So for the graham cracker crust, what you'll need will be crushed graham crackers. I just use regular graham crackers like you'd use for s'mores and crush them up till they're like a fine sand. So crushed graham crackers, light brown sugar, and melted butter. I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And I have mine on the bottom. I preheated the bottom and put the rack on the middle. You don't want it on the bottom or the top. I don't really know why, but that's just what you need to do. So first or second, what you'll do is just combine all of your ingredients and whisk them together until moistened and combined. Okay, so now once that is done, nice and moistened and all combined, I have lined an 8x8" glass pan with 2 sheets of parchment paper, so that they just go over the edges and you can like fold them over. And I also sprayed them with nonstick spray. And now you can just pour this in, your graham cracker crust in. Let's see. I'm gonna start with that much. And then just with your hands, just pat it down till it's nice evenly. I'm going to put this in the oven for 16 to 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. I'm going to start with 16. Now I'll see you guys once that is all done. Okay, so this is just finished and now I'm going to take this out. So it's nice and golden brown. I had to redo this one, but it was only because I did the parchment paper wrong. But it's really easy to redo. You want to keep your oven at 325 degrees. Don't turn it off. But now we're going to make the filling. Do not make this until you've taken the crust out of the oven, because just don't. So what we have here is sweetened condensed milk, key lime juice, half a cup. That took forever. Cream cheese at room temperature, egg yolk, and lime zest. Not key lime, just lime zest. But again, I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. First, what you want to combine together is cream cheese, lime zest, and then just whisk that together until it's nice and creamy. Let's see. Pour it right over our graham cracker crust and use a spatula to smooth it out. With this part, let's see. Ooh, that's still a little hot, very hot. Okay. Now we're just going to put it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the filling is set. I'm going to start with 15. Well, I'll see you guys once that is all done. Okay, so I'm going to check it next. They just finished. I only started it for 15 minutes, so let's see. Okay, I'm going to do it for like 3 more minutes. But they're almost done. I'll see you guys once that's all done. Okay, so now it is all done. Let's see. Okay. That's all good. Let's just get this out. Okay, that looks amazing. And okay, so now what we're going to do is just let that sit for 1 hour to let it cool. And after that hour is up, you're just going to cover it with foil and chill it for 2 hours. And you can garnish it with like key lime wedges, whipped cream. I think I'm going to do key lime wedges and whipped cream. And it's going to look really cool. You have to chill it with foil covered for 2 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!